Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Gardening is my passion. Friends, today I'll tell you how to grow tuberose bulbs. These are the bulbs I have bought around 20 rupees each. This is the bunch of bulbs here. You can see lots of bulbs are here, small size, big size, and all together 20 rupees each bulb. And after 1 or 2 months, you will see there will be stick, and there will be, this is the double variety, and some single varieties are also available in the market. And today I'll show you how to grow them, how to get sticks from there, how to get flowers, and the flowers stay more than 1 month, and they are very scented. So today I am showing you, this is the amaryllis that I have grown 1 month back, and the soil mix that I tell you, this is the same type of soil mix that I have grown 10 days back. I have grown this amaryllis and 1 month back, and you can see the stick and flower. All the bulbs growing technique are the almost similar. So today I am showing you the exact method of growing, the nursery method of growing these tuberose. And here for you have to take 8-inch pot, earthen pot or clay pot is the best, and there should be hole at the bottom, drainage hole, and that should be covered with a broken piece of pot, and I have covered it. And now I'll tell you the exact composition for soil mixture. There should be 60% garden soil, 30% compost, or 35% compost, maybe vermicompost, cow dung compost, and in that you will mix proper things that are bone meal, horn meal. This is the horn meal. You can see lots of nitrogen and phosphorus are there, and you have to add some super phosphate and NPK and mustard cake if available. Then or you can mix it total around 100 to 150 gram for around 4 pots, for around 150 gram altogether in 4 pots, and mix it together very nicely. And they are the very nutritive materials, and in 1 month or 2 months we can see sticks here, and you can grow, and they are very scented, and they need full sunlight. You have to grow them in under full sunlight. Cover the around, fill up around 1/3 portion of the pot. I am filling up. Then I'll put some bulbs here, and then again add soil, and see how you have to grow any kind of bulbs. This is the bulbs you can see, and one bunch I am growing in one. And I tell you, this is the perennial plant. Once you grow them, you don't have to buy again and again. Once you buy it, once you grow it, and they will propagate themselves from the bulbs, and you can see sticks from here. And you have to keep it in full sunlight, up to 6 or 7 sunlight is very nice. And this is the another 2 bulbs I am growing it in one pot also. If you want, you can put 2 bulbs also, 2 bunches of bulbs. And in 1 month or 2 month time, you will see sticks, and the flowers are the sticks stays for 1 month to 1.5 months time. And if you want, you can buy double petal, some single petal also. Single petal bulbs are cheap, 10 rupees each, and then add water, full water. And after 3 to 4 days you have to apply water every 3 or 4 days. And once they stick grow, and I'll tell you, they bloom once only, and again next year you have to again grow the bulbs, transplant the bulbs, and you can see the flower. If you want, you can get some of this color variety also. They are also available in this market. This is the pink variety, some pink and white variety, some of the yellow variety, and some of the off-white varieties are also available. If you want, you can grow them also. But these are the scented, and you can these kinds of flowers. So these are the very easy method. Just buy some of the bulbs here for once only, and you can get hundreds and hundreds of flowers. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.